Hello friends, today I am going to discuss some machine learning program and first I want to describe here how to find Sharpe ratio, and this model has been applied in financial market. So I will take some stocks prices from Yahoo Finance, and we will describe step by step. So let's, because this is the financial market, so Sharpe ratio means just look here what is the Sharpe ratio. So Sharpe ratio, okay. So what is the Sharpe ratio? Sharpe ratio means you can calculate. Sharpe ratio is a formula for defined with the example. Sharpe ratio look like this way. So S alpha will equal to expected value will equal to RA minus RB and whole divided by the standard deviations of the assets. So SA as a Sharpe ratio, E means expected value, RA means asset return, and RB means risk free return, and standard deviations is a, like a variance similar to this. So this is a Sharpe ratio, and we can calculate to get this value very simple way. Now first I am collecting a data from Yahoo Finance, so need to understand. Look here, first pip install Yahoo Finance exclamation sign, and now one more install the pipe folios is also installed. After that import Y Finance as a YF, import NumPy as a NP, import Pandas as a PD, and import pipe folio as a PF. These are the library, so I have been imported this. So let's see, just it has been imported. Now I need a data, so I will create a variable risk assets. I have created already risk assets, and I am taking the 4 stocks, and these stocks has been listed in the Indian Stocks Exchange, like the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange also. So NSE, National Stock Exchange, and these are the top 50 stocks. So Nifty 50, you can get the Reliance.ns as a symbols, TCS.ns, HDFC Bank.ns, Hindustan Unilever.ns, and starting date I am taking a 2017, and today is the 1st August 2022. And now the assets length, risk assets, the first I am trying to, let's say, yeah, and now I am going to start here n assets. Yeah, it has been, now the it all this value has been created like a data structures. So the price underscore df data frame, and yf, it is intimated as a import Y Finance dot downloaded risk underscore assets, starts as a starting date, and with the end date, and adjusted true. So let's say, yeah, it has been completed. There are 4 stocks, and now I want to get a return. If you want to see price df head, look here, price underscore df and dot head. So you can see what is looking like this your data frame. So the price df is not a defined, prices, okay. So price dot head, now it has been, so that Look here, your data look like this is a right way to you can see your data. Yeah, look like, so you can see your data has been look like. So HDFC, Hindustan Unilever, Reliance, TCS, HDFC again, because this one is the adjacent closing price, this one is a closing price, high price, low price and open price. Okay, all it has been look like this way. Similarly, need to get a return, so the price underscore df has been like a variable, and I need only the adjacent close price. So just look here, adjacent close price has been look like this. Okay, and this has been as a percentage, so you can easily convert into the percentage. Now I want to describe here, otherwise you can also look like a returns. So returns dot head, returns dot head. So look this one, this is the structure of this data. So all has been converted to the percentage. So look here, first column HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever, Reliance is the third column and TCS. Next the returns describe here. So describe, it can see, look here, there are total counting them. It contains that 1399 rows, all are similar, and mean has been given as a percentage. Now standard deviation is already is the given, the minimum value is a look like this way, and 25% percentile means quartile, and 50% like a median has been also given the percentile, and 1/4 is also when 75% quartile also given. Maximum is a look here, this is a V. So maximum value as a percentage is this from 2017 to till 2022 today. Like here the portfolio weight, this is the formula for n underscore assets and multiplied 1 divided by the n assets. So look here, so look like this way. And now I want to get a portfolio returns. So we are I am using a pandas pd dot series np as a numpy dot portfolio underscore weights, this has been, and returns dot time index return and index. So look here, yeah, it has been. Now the pf dot create a simple tier sheets like a portfolio returns. So this will be look like a tier sheets, yeah. So look here, starting date 2017, and now it has been till 38 and 2020. There are total months 66 months. Annual returns I have gotten from these four stocks 27.2%. Cumulative returns 280.7. Annual volatility I have seen in only 18.3%. So Sharpe ratio is 1.41. Clamor's ratio is 0.90. Stability is 0.95. Maximum drawdown is the minus 30%. Approx. Omega ratio is 1.30. Sortino ratio is 2.10. Skewness is only 5%. Kurtosis is 16.28. And tail ratio is 1.12. Daily value at a risk is minus 2.2%. So cumulative return, just a back test here and look like a cumulative return. This is a way to very good chart. And now similarly the rolling the Sharpe ratio for the 6 months here. So Sharpe ratio is here and average is a given here. So now it is a near about the average. And third is the drawdown, it has been plotted. So the underwater a plot, look here. So it has been a drop down from 2000 till 2022. So this is a best analysis to you can analyze to use a Python programming language, and you can check what types of the portfolio apply to invest in your money. So this is the way to you can use. So I think this will be helpful for most of the investors and financial uh, traders and some other businessmen also. Thank you for today. I will try to describe the next video something is new.